My name is Vito Safari. I'm the CEO and the founder of GiGO Clean Technology. GiGO Clean is an application serving cleaning industry. It connects consumers to the cleaners available in the area by zip code directly. It is a revolution to the cleaning industry because it's making a lot of changes, the same exact way that Uber did with the ride industry. It allows cleaners to have a flexible work hours and have higher amount of hourly pay. It allows consumer to select the date and time that they like to have the service and they pay less. The application is free to download, very easy to use. It's safe and convenient. Now, the services are available in Southern California in 2024, will be available in Northern California, and hopefully by end of 2025 in all cities in United States. I encourage everyone to download the app and use it. It's very easy and free to download.